Hello! Today we color alphabet A and an apple. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please watch the full video. A for apple. Letter A is sky blue in color. And the apple is red in color. Leaf is light green in color. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.